Hello friends, welcome back. It's Stephanie Grahams, founder of the Keepsake Business Academy, with a mission to help 100,000 Gen X and retired women supplement their income and fund their retirement through starting and growing a keepsake and memory bear business. Today we will continue on our myth list for the Lunch and Learn series. So we are on myth number 3, and it says myth only for grieving customers. Now, I kind of touched on this on myth number 1, but the reality is that's a misconception in our industry. Memory bears are not exclusive for grieving customers. A memory bear and keepsake caters to the individuals celebrating milestones, preserving memories, or seeking a unique personalized gift. So, maybe you are a new mom or you cater to new moms and you want to offer them a memory bear. Well, you might not market it exactly with the term memory bear because of the misconception with our industry. So one thing we talk about in the Keepsake Business Academy and in the private group for paid students is ways to know more about your target customer. Now, maybe you already have a customer base, but you want more for your business, you want more out of life, and you want to help additional people. Definitely join the Academy because the Academy has a lot of perks, fresh content all the time, and a student-only group, and like I said, fresh information all the time for our industry. But you also can learn maybe more about yourself and your business, and maybe learn how to move and grow from maybe where you used to be to where you want to be. And just a side note, I don't edit my videos here, so my little bloopers and weird things, they're just part of the package here. So hopefully you can bear with me. I just want to make sure I get this information out. When I started the keepsake business for myself in 2015, I did not have this help. And so now I am here helping you move through some of the murky waters with our industry. As always, you can find me at stephaniegrahams.com. See you soon.